Imagine uncovering hidden truths, predicting the future, and powerfully driving innovation with nothing but raw numbers and profound insights. This isn't magic, it's the power of data science, and it's transforming every industry on the planet. Are you ready to become one of the most sought-after professionals in the modern world? Welcome to Business Training Media's Career and Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're exploring how to get data analyst and scientist jobs, your ultimate guide. Get ready to unlock the secrets to landing a high-impact role in this groundbreaking field. The world is drowning in data, and companies are desperate for people who can make sense of it. Stick with us until the very end, because we're sharing game-changing insights, a clear roadmap, and special access to free courses, exclusive career guides, and invaluable resources. Let's talk about the incredible world of data science. This field is at the forefront of innovation, driving decisions in everything from personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming service to medical breakthroughs and financial predictions. Every day, data grows exponentially, and with it, the critical need for skilled data scientists to extract meaning and value from this ocean of information. This isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about solving complex, real-world problems, optimizing critical processes, and accurately predicting future trends. The demand for data talent is soaring, often outpacing the supply, creating a golden age for those with the right skills. It's a field offering immense impact, competitive salaries, and remarkable job security. So what does a data scientist actually do? At its heart, a data scientist is an architect of insight, blending statistics, computer science, and business knowledge to transform raw data into actionable intelligence. You're part detective, part programmer, and part storyteller. Your core responsibilities span the entire data lifecycle. This begins with data collection and preprocessing, meticulously cleaning and preparing often messy data to make it usable. Next comes exploratory data analysis, where you use statistical methods and visualizations to uncover hidden patterns and form initial hypotheses. Then, you'll build and evaluate predictive models using powerful machine learning algorithms to forecast future trends or outcomes. Crucially, you'll communicate your findings clearly and compellingly to non-technical stakeholders, often through dashboards or presentations, directly influencing business strategy. Finally, you'll frequently deploy and maintain these models in real-world production systems. Key skills required. To truly excel as a data scientist, you need a robust toolkit of technical skills. Your primary languages will be Python with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch and R for statistical analysis. You'll absolutely need strong SQL skills to query and manipulate databases. A solid understanding of mathematics and statistics, including linear algebra, calculus, probability, and inferential statistics, forms your analytical bedrock. Expertise in various machine learning algorithms, from regression to deep learning, is essential. Finally, proficiency in data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, or Power BI is crucial for telling your data story. Beyond the code, your soft skills will truly set you apart. Sharp analytical thinking allows you to interpret vast amounts of complex data, meticulously recognizing subtle patterns that might indicate a potential threat or opportunity. Problem solving is paramount. You'll constantly devise creative solutions to intricate challenges. Curiosity drives you to explore, ask why, and uncover unexpected insights. Exceptional communication skills are vital for translating technical findings into clear, actionable recommendations for anyone, technical or not. Finally, business acumen helps you understand the bigger picture and how your insights can drive real-world impact. A data scientist's toolkit includes integrated development environments, IDEs, like Jupyter Notebooks or Google Colab, essential for interactive data analysis. Git and GitHub are crucial for version control and collaboration. You'll work with cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, or Azure for deploying and scaling your solutions, and potentially big data technologies like Apache Spark or Hadoop for massive datasets. Your work environment will primarily be in an office setting, though remote and hybrid work models are increasingly common. You'll spend significant time at your computer, coding, analyzing data, and collaborating with cross-functional teams. While the work is intellectually demanding, it offers immense flexibility and often fosters a highly innovative atmosphere. The path to becoming a data scientist is dynamic. Many successful professionals hold a bachelor's or master's degree in quantitative fields like computer science, statistics, mathematics, or engineering. These degrees provide a strong theoretical foundation. For those seeking a quicker entry or career change, intensive data science bootcamps offer practical, project-based learning to build job-ready skills. Beyond formal degrees, industry-recognized certifications are incredibly valuable. They validate your expertise and signal to employers that you possess specialized, up-to-date knowledge. Consider these powerful professional certificates from top industry organizations, many of which offer free enrollment to help you get started. Let's review our list. Up first, we have the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program covers a wide array of data science topics, from Python and SQL to machine learning and deep learning, building a strong foundational skill set. Next, to truly build your core understanding, consider the Google Foundations of Data Science Certificate. Ideal for beginners, this program provides a solid introduction to data analysis, programming in Python, and understanding data-driven decision-making. And if you're ready to deepen your analytical prowess, then the Google Advanced Data Analytics Certificate is your next step. This certificate delves into more complex data manipulation, advanced statistical modeling, and sophisticated machine learning techniques. Finally, for anyone just dipping their toes into this exciting field, the Introduction to Data Science by IBM offers a fantastic overview. It's a perfect starting point, providing a gentle yet informative introduction to core data science concepts and tools. We've included direct links to these amazing programs in our description below. Use this special link to get free enrollment. Remember, the field evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is absolutely essential to stay competitive. A career in data science offers a clear and rewarding progression. You might begin as a junior data analyst or data science intern, focusing on data cleaning and basic analysis. As you gain experience, you'll advance to a data scientist or machine learning engineer, taking on full project ownership, from model development to deployment. Senior roles include senior data scientist, lead data scientist, or principal data scientist, where you'll lead complex projects, mentor teams, and shape data strategy. Ultimately, leadership positions like data science manager/director or even chief data officer, CDO, are within reach, guiding entire organizations with data-driven vision. Now for what many of you are eager to know, the earning potential. Data science careers offer highly competitive salaries. Entry-level data analyst and junior data scientist typically ranges from $75,000 to $110,000 plus annually. A mid-career data scientist or machine learning engineer can expect to earn between $110,000 and over $160,000 per year. Senior data scientist, lead data scientist, or data science manager roles frequently command salaries from $160,000 to well over $250,000 plus per year. These figures are primarily based on US market trends, which generally reflect global demand in major tech hubs. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a staggering 35% job growth for data scientists through 2032, significantly faster than the average for all occupations. This explosive growth, driven by the increasing volume of data and reliance on data-driven decisions, ensures excellent job security and a dynamic career landscape. Landing your dream data science job requires a strategic approach. Prioritize developing a strong project portfolio on Kaggle or GitHub. These hands-on examples will demonstrate your skills more effectively than any resume ever could. Second, tailor your resume to each job description, highlighting relevant keywords and quantifying your achievements. Third, prepare rigorously for interviews, practicing technical questions, behavioral scenarios, and case studies. Fourth, gain hands-on experience through internships or entry-level roles. Even freelance or remote projects can build your experience. Finally, network constantly. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn and join online communities. Ready to truly take your data science career to the next level? The opportunities are immense, the demand is urgent, and the time to act is now. We've included special links right in the description below where you can access free courses, comprehensive career guides, and invaluable resources to get started today. Don't just watch, click on those links now and begin forging your path in data science. A career in data science is more than just a job, it's an exhilarating journey of discovery, problem solving, and continuous innovation. It's a field for curious minds, analytical thinkers, and those who want to make a profound impact on the world. By investing in the right skills, pursuing relevant certifications, and embracing continuous learning, you can unlock unparalleled opportunities and truly secure your future in this electrifying domain. For more professional career guides, in-depth articles, free online courses, and other powerful skill-building resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. We are truly your dedicated partner for career growth. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with anyone looking to break into or advance in data science. We wish you the very best of luck on your exciting and vital data science journey. See you in the next video.